ay mako bayaran mo na. Saka yung di kabila.
May papayag talaga ako na makita dyan sa trainer eh. Eh, tapos binaulit nila, ano gawin ko? Kasi baka mamaya sisihin pa nila ako.
Ano yung ako?
Bakit pintura? Sila sabing grade, di ba? Kaya pinag-i-grade naman.
Tanong dyan pa Yuki.
Ano dyan ba si ate?
Oo. Ay gusto niya. Madilim daw.
Madilim tingnan. O sige, lagyan mo ng liwanag tapos lagyan bumbilya.
Lagyan mo mas light, no?
Sabi nga na, tapos sunod daw pintura bumaganda. Yung liwanag.
Liwanag
Eh,
ang buhay.
binibigyan ko sila ng magaganda kulay. Ayaw nila yung maliwanag. O, gusto nila gray. Ang gusto nila, huwag daw dumihin. O, di ba? Wala. Alam mo gagawa sa nila.
Wala talaga.
May pakot ito kay mga kapila.
Na paano yung kamay yun? Yeah.
Sabi ko sa inyo, tawagin niyo ko kayo. Ah? Kaya ko lang may tura. Kahit wasak-wasak ang kamay kong dalawa.
Ingatan nyo lang yung ano ha.
Oh, yeah.
Kahit tatlong hiwa
Yung
ang kamay.
dekorasyon.
Oo.
Yung flooring, huwag yung titirahin ha. May papayag ako dyan.
Wala ako. Umisk ako.
Gagamitan ko pa ng ano yan
Bahay
eh.
ko na demolish.
Floor wax.
Ay, tanggal ka.
Oo, may wax akong gagamitin dyan. Pakikikabit yung flooring yan eh.
Ay, dito?
Oo. Para yung tsinelas nila,
Dami
dito na lang oh.
nagtatag sa amin ganyan.
Oo, para maganda.
Para,
Dami
lalo nga, gagawa ko sila at tablado dyan eh.
May pero para naman kami may kontrata.
Wala.
Ano sabi niyo mo?
Mayroon pala silang
Yun lang ang taxi.
Hirap ano yun, no?
Oh, baka ito, babagoy pa nila to.
Hindi na.
Yung ilalim ng kesame.
Hindi na yun.
Eh,
Yun
mukha,
na, dito na kami. Babago.
pag binago nila, parang bundok yan.
Wala.
Maganda na nga kulay, yun.
Maganda ng bubong. Maganda naman.
Maganda na nga ano, Lod, oh.
Wala, hindi pa. Hindi pa tumarating, tatrapi kita. Dalawa namin bilis ko ba sa'yo? Dalawa namin kay
Len.
Cindy. Oo. Kumain na
Ito nga, bistura mo na to.
sa'yo rin Jo. Wala pang pangkulay eh. Kaya sa'yo rin
Andiyan, meron doon. May claim mo pala ako. Kaya, lagi ko muna itong ano.
Dali mo dito. Parang toke na lang nga yan. Oo, toke lang ito. Oo, pintura nito. Oo, sino mo walo-walo? Italian. Ito pa yung bantay ha. Bantay pa ang aming may-ari. Kaya lang kahapon. Hindi. Di pa ko, wala pa kahapon. Nakarang linggo. Kahapon mo na pinturan. Nakarang linggo. Hindi naman gawa oh. Oh, walwal. Madalian niya oh. Yan ang gusto nila, di ba?
Ano, madali ano.
Hindi, huwag mo patagalin. Gawin mo na ngayon kahit ano, walwal.
Sabi niya, gusto niya mabilisan, ha? Oh.
Eh, pupuntahan daw sila, eh, mabilisan.
Kaya pala, eh.
Eh, wala sa CCC sa akin, di ba?
Oo, mabilisan, eh. Uy, bawal dyan, boot.
Ito rin, ginawa ko rin, mabilisan dito. At mga ginagawa ka, mabilisan na sa akin. Kasi naawin nila yung araw eh.
Oo, para matuyo ka agad, no? Ano ba yan? Blowseed din yan? Yung pang tubig?
Peke!
Peke na ano?
Hindi ka lumapadal ng dilo ka. Kahit balbig ko. Sa kanilang galing pintura niyan.
Pang tubig talaga?
Oo. Dala nila.
Oo.
Boys, yan nilang gamit yung mga pinapahit. Ano no? Tagbalbi.
Ano yung boot? Ako punta.
Dito, ayaw mo. Dati ginagamit ko no? Nation eh.
Pipinto, ano ako dito. Baka butot ka, butaw ka butot.
Papalitan niyo pa yung gold?
Hindi na.
Na. Mahirapan kami.
Wala kaming pang ganyan.
Wala panlagay eh. Wala na inutot. Bahala sa buhay nila. Bagit sa.
Yan ang gusto nila, eh. Ganitong kulay. Ganda sa bahay namin eh.
Amo,
Hanggang kailan na to? Yeah, ete. Hanggang kailan mo ba pintura dito?
hanggang 27, nakalagay mo yung palabasan.
Ay nga pala, 27. Hanggang 27 lang.
Sarado na sila.
Ah, doon na. Kailan meron nga, may nakita kami nag-ano.
Kami na lang mamimitura.
Merong reporter ah. Ngayon na.
Dami yung reklamo eh. Biro mo, pinagtaw sa Jollibee, 30,000. Ano nga yung Jollibee doon sa permit sa City Hall.
Para makapasok dito.
O ngayon,
Ah, makatinda sila dito.
hindi na pumayag dyan dahil dumiretso nga yung may Jollibee doon sa may City Hall.
Ah, doon na.
Nakabawas sila. Eh, pinabalik na lang yung
May dali ko na sa paano, al-auno.
Oo.
Ayaw maganda, may mga bibila.
Eh, wala. Pinawas-las.
Bakit? Eh,
Kailangan kay Dandan ka kung permit, hindi yung sa City Hall. Dadangan kay Dandan.
ah, dati meron yun ah. Dito ah, Jollibee ah.
Dandan nga may awag nung dati, noon na.
Oh, ngayon, hindi na.
Ngayon, si Dandan, di ba nagpapalit ng mga residente.
Hmm.
Si Dandan ngayon na duty dito. Ayaw pumayag sa 30,000, Jollibee.
Ayaw. Ang ina 30,000.
Mabili nga yung Jollibee nila eh.
Mabili nga yung mga sa mga dito, mga bata. Kaya mo maliit, bawal pa dito. Bawal na punta kasi masikip pa maraming tao niyan.
Oo.
Kami hapon kami pupunta dito eh. Sila maaga eh. Ako ng umaga, naantok ka pa. Madilim pa yung boat, pupunta sila dito. Sila Tiyambuyang, madilim pa konti, alas 3 yata na madaling araw yun. Ganyan eh, pagka pupunta sila dito, ako, hindi ako kasabay sa kanila. Dito na lang, ako na lang kami ni Ibot pupunta. Pag-ibig Ano naman tae nito? Bibisit ako sa tae. Ako lang bro. Lagyan ko ng tiles, di nang pipintura. No, boy. Ay, gigibain ba?
Mababain siya.
Ay, ibababa. Oo nga pala.
Well, number one, there's not much light, and number two, there aren't a lot of people. have to get people from Quezon to use it. Of course, you probably go elsewhere. They're gonna capture it. Yeah. Yeah, I think windmill. Yeah, so we're almost 100% renewable. Kaya kami na solar, let's shift to solar. Kasi pag nag-brown out dito sa area namin, tulad ng maraming lugar sa probinsya, ang haba ng mga brown out, minsan walang announcement. Ayaw na kami ganun. So ang problema na is pag nag-brown out dito, kami na may ilaw na gumawa kami maya. Kaya nagpapatay kami ng ilaw. Ano ba, mag-charge ka lang ng phone, pero magpatay tayo ng ilaw, makisama tayo. Solidarity. Pero pwede na mag-charge sa amin kung talagang low capacity. Kaya, walang problema. Okay, ito yung solar. Saan may ayaw katabi niya? So, yan, umiikot siya ng mabilis ngayon. Pag umiikot siya ng ganyan, bumabomba siya ng 30 liters per minute. Oh, wow!
Ang lakas yun.
Marinig mo ngayon.
Dapat
Yung mechanismo, marinig mo. Nagbobomba siya ngayon.
So, ano naman po kami?
Yeah, this is our little greenhouse where we're experimenting with growing herbs and ferns, edible ferns, like papo.
Parang farm to table.
Well, more like garden to table. Yeah, kasi small scale lang kami. So, and in this case, parang greenhouse to table. Pero ngayon, parang naubos na yung pwedeng harvest. So, wala kang pwedeng ipakita sa mga harvestable. Ito puro magugulang ng lalaki. So,
Saka tingnan po yung design ng window. Very talagang Lord of the Rings. Of the House of Egg.
halos tatlong dekada po sa paggawa ng mga dokumentaryo.
Yan yung sila.
May ilang natatanging kwento na patuloy kong sinusundan. Kahit saan pa ako dito. I've done nearly all of my read novels.
Sikat ka bilang Howie Severino, pero hindi nila alam.
Reporter din pala yan eh. No? Eh, no?
I moved to the U.S. with my family when I was 6 years old.
Okay.
Uh,
Are you a citizen?
No, I never became a citizen.
Why not?
My brother, I didn't want to live there. I didn't want to stay there. Although there's a lot of good things about America, but nailan ko sa Pilipinas eh. When I was in college, I went to college in Massachusetts, and Nina Aquino was there at the same time in Boston. I was going to a university very near where he lived. And I knew about him, but I was 19 years old. I really didn't know much about the world, and was still trying to get to know the history of the Philippines and the politics of the Philippines. But I went to see Ninoy in 1981. I attended a lecture by him, and there was just a handful of people in the audience. I was one of them. And then I had to write a paper about the Philippines. Wala akong makausap. And there was very little information about contemporary Philippines in the library or anywhere. Wala akong kilalang professor na Pilipino. But there was this exiled former senator whom I had just heard give a lecture, like it was a speech in a meeting about stand-up. But I went to see him privately. To be honest, no, it kind of sounds cheesy, but it changed my life, because he was like one of the first, maybe the first prominent Filipino I ever met, and he gave me a lot of time. I was just a 19-year-old student needing to talk to someone knowledgeable about the Philippines because I was writing a paper about the U.S. military bases at that time. Oh, and there wasn't really that much material. And here's this resource person. Actually, I picked up the phone expecting to talk to his secretary. He didn't have a secretary. He picked up the phone himself, and then I was ready to ask him a bunch of questions over the phone because I thought this person is probably busy, too busy for me. Sabi, punta ka na lang sa, and he was talking to me in English, but he called me pare. Just come to my office, pare. I remember that day because I hadn't heard that word in a long time. So I went there and I spent like a morning with him. He even gave me a little tour of the library where he was. He had an office at Harvard. And it was very spare. I didn't really see any family photos in his office. And remember, at that, it was like the last time he had any family life.
But how did he change your life?
He made me care a lot more about the Philippines. I went to see him for intellectual reasons. I needed to write a paper, so I needed to talk to someone else. It was part of my research. But then I saw this person's passion with talking about the country and just the kind of the level of knowledge that he had. He was a former senator, he could have been president, etc. He's giving me this kind of time sharing. What I remember from that time was he was talking to me like an equal. He was not like condescending, and he was not talking to me like a student. He was like, the impression I got from him was he was enjoying being in the company of the Philippines. He made me care about the Philippines a lot more, and made me want to
Ayan
know
ba si Kinkin?
about the Philippines. And
Binaba pa kasi nila to. Akala nga yung dumbbell.
I was at home in the US. I was at home in Houston, Texas with my parents.
Yung ano, yung
It was at night. And then my father came into the room and he had just heard that Nino was assassinated at the airport on arrival.
Sa bulsa
I was
ko.
like in shock, because at that age, I think I was greater than 21.
Bakit na
I,
siya?
I still
Tapos
don't
yung
know
kamo yung
anyone.
itabi niyan.
It was not
Oh. Guys.
Yung mga isa din out.
Bakit tayo guys? Bakit tayo ng taas guys? Aray ko, ay sorry guys, bawal magmura. Sorry guys. Nag-iikot pa may.
Kinkin. Ay, Kyrie. Ay. Ay, yung ano nila, laruan nila. Ay, tabi mo nga to. Ay, ang remote ng aircon nyo to. Dala ni Kay. Ay, ni Kailin.
Yan, yan, i-upload mo. Shoutout sa ano rin yan na? Ano sa iyo eh? Hindi